Hey guys, Canadian Range Nut here. It is Thursday, June 2nd, 2022. A few things I want to talk about. Very short video today. I just want to briefly talk about the Ontario election. Going to get into how the handgun sales have been going nationally. And then I want to talk to you guys about something called National Range Day. I just want to play a quick clip for you from, I got this from Alberta News, and this is from one of the gun store owners, I guess. He's either an owner or he's wearing a Glock t-shirt. I don't know if he's a representative for Glock. Sounds like he's a store owner or worker. It doesn't say where he's from, but I can actually verify that this is true because when I went online yesterday, just out of curiosity to many of the different websites, virtually every handgun is sold out. The only thing that's left are like the really cheap surplus items, and in some cases like the super expensive guns. Like Tenda Canada had a $13,000 revolver, so I can kind of understand why that's still available. But go check it out for yourself if you don't believe it. And it's actually really cool to see that everything is sold out like that. Obviously, we don't like the reasoning behind it, but it is really neat. But anyway, just listen to what this guy has to say about this gun shop owner. Let me clarify that. He either works at the store or he's a gun shop owner. Just listen to what he has to say.
If it was intentional or not, but Mr. Trudeau and his government have become the best handgun salesmen in all of Canada. I have never seen activity at this level. Clients are calling, they're walking in, we have lineups, the phones are ringing off the hook. We can't keep up with the amount of demand there is right now because everyone is aware this is coming to an end, and for those that want to get one more handgun for their collection, they are looking to pick it up now. I'm not sure.
I was going to pause it there. It just goes on a continuous loop. So yeah, it's true. I was saying this to my wife yesterday too when I was doing the video last night. I've never seen anything like it. Like I've seen on websites, there's certain brands of ammo that are always out. They get picked up right away. And I'm telling you, every single handgun on these websites is pretty much gone. Now, I checked Rangeview Sports earlier this morning. They seem to have a bigger supply, so they did have a few left. But everybody else who I was looking at, they were out of pretty much all the handguns, and it was just crazy to watch. Okay, moving on, I just want to talk about the Ontario election. So if you didn't hear, sorry to people in the other provinces out there, Doug Ford did take a majority, so that was the Conservatives. They basically destroyed the Liberal government. I think the Liberal government, the last time I checked, they had 9 seats, and I think, I didn't write it down, sorry guys, but I think the Conservatives had like 90 seats in Ontario Parliament, and the Green Party got 1 seat. NDP is going to be the official opposition. I think they got like 29, and then I think I said the Green Party got 1, and I think the New Blue Party got 1 seat as well. I think it was New Blue. I'm pretty sure Derek Sloan didn't get any. So that's the update on the Ontario election. And just one thing I wanted to say too, it is pretty encouraging. I said the last podcast, I'm not a huge Doug Ford fan, but my theory is that, a lot of people were complaining about the Conservatives, blah, blah, blah. But I feel like the federal election probably swayed a lot of people's vote even more. I have a feeling that a lot of people probably took for granted and thought Actually, I remember when I was taking my PAL course last August, because remember, I'm a pretty new firearm owner. I was talking to this younger guy, and he thought Trudeau was a shoo-in to lose the office last year. And then when he got his minority, I couldn't believe Canadians had voted for him. So I feel like a lot of people, I know I did myself, use this opportunity to keep Liberals out of office. So that's good news from Ontario, and hopefully good news for handgun owners in Ontario. Last thing I wanted to talk to you guys about tonight was there's an event coming up on Saturday, June the 4th. It is called National Range Day. So basically what it is, and I'll put the link into the description section as well, and actually I'll post it in the video so that way you guys can just look it up for yourselves. But basically, National Range Day is an event for the 2.3 million licensed firearms owners all over Canada, and I don't think all the ranges are doing it, but the majority of them are. you can go onto this website and you can click for a range in your area, and it allows people to go to the range who are non licensed people to go check out and try all these different kinds of firearms. I know I'm from Ontario, so I know Silverdale Gun Club is doing this as well. A lot of the guys from the National Firearms Association are going to be there. And I know they're going to have various guns for people to try out. So again, they won't need a license to go. I think there is a small charge. I could be wrong about that, but I'll post the website in there so you guys can check out. It is a good event to go to because again, it's all well and good to for us to say we're going to fight for our rights and stuff like that, but we want to continue to get the new generation into these sports. We want to continue, not just that, we want to educate people on what the gun laws are like in Canada. You have a lot of people who are criticizing us as licensed gun owners who have not even fired a gun, never even tried it, or too scared to try it. So if you know somebody who might be interested in that, National Range Day is a great idea, a great way of doing that. I know, I'm a member of Silverdale, and I know I can bring one guest. I'm pretty sure this event allows you to bring more, but you have to double check that for yourself. I'm sure it depends on the range you're going to. So anyway, I'll give you the website right now. Actually, it's actually nationalrangeday.ca. And again, I'll say that again. It's nationalrangeday.ca, and that is happening on June 4th nationwide. Okay. So again, don't just talk about firearms rights. Like, if you truly believe in us keeping our rights, we do have to grow the sports. I know we're worried about the new legislation coming out. But again, I feel like just to conserve this this culture that we have have to continuously try to recruit new people. Obviously, you're going to run into those people who want absolutely nothing to do with a gun. I run into those every day. And like my main job, I'm not going to tell you what my main job is, but let's just say I work in a very liberal type of environment. So there's not many people that I can speak to about this. There's only a couple of people who I can actually have a conversation with that actually know that I own firearms, because otherwise I'll just get screamed down at. But those people who I can have a conversation with, I could actually bring them to the range. Like, I feel like they would be rational human beings about it. So do what you can, try to get more people out there. But check out the website, and again, it's nationalrangeday.ca. All I really have to say for tonight, guys, please remember to like and subscribe. If you came over from the Facebook page as well, please remember to click like and subscribe as well. It really does help the channel. It helps get more views out there, and it also helps spread our message. Originally, I know I wanted to start this channel as like a product review channel, and I will do some product reviews here and there, and like I will show how I store my guns and what my safe setup is like and all that. But I've been getting so much good feedback from just doing the podcast style that I've just continued to do this, because anytime something new pops up, I figure you guys will want to know about it, and not everybody's a nerd like me who gets every update from every single website. So hopefully this brings value to you. So again, like and subscribe if you can. Canadian Range Nut here, and have a great night, guys. Thank you so much for listening.